In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit rows in Snowflake using the limit and fetch clauses in a SQL query. If you're working with large data sets, it's essential to be able to retrieve only the data you need without overloading your resources or sifting through unnecessary information. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to tailor your queries effectively to get just the right amount of data. First, let's dive into the basics of what we're trying to accomplish. The limit clause in SQL is used to specify the number of records you want to return from your query. This is particularly useful when you're dealing with vast amounts of data and you're only interested in a subset. Whether you're looking to analyze a sample of data or generate reports, using limit can make your work more efficient. Picture this. You have a database table named employees, and you want to see the records of the most recently hired individuals. Rather than pulling the entire dataset and manually sifting through the hire dates, SQL allows us to write a query to fetch just the top results. In this example, we want to retrieve 5 records, corresponding to the 5 most recently hired employees. To achieve that, you'd start with the select statement, which is a fundamental part of nearly all SQL queries. Here, the asterisk symbol tells SQL to select all columns for us. Next, we specify the table we're querying from. In our case, this is the employees table. It's crucial to structure this part correctly, as SQL needs to know exactly where to look for your data. After defining the columns and the table, we need to identify how our results should be ordered. With order by, we can specify that we want the data sorted by the hire date column. The keyword DESC indicates that we want this in descending order, meaning the newest entries appear first. Now, let's focus on the core of our topic, the limit clause. By adding the line limit 5 to the end of the query, we're telling SQL to return just 5 records. These will be sorted according to the conditions we previously specified. So, by the time you're executing this query, you'll see only the top 5 results based on the hire date. This combination of the select, order by, and limit clauses forms a powerful tool to precisely tailor your data retrieval. As with many programming tasks, practice will help cement these concepts, so do feel free to try modifying the values or conditions to see different data slices. Hopefully, this has clarified how to effectively control the number of rows returned in your queries using Snowflake. Happy querying!